Hi, so I've set my message sheet so we can do this. If you've been following, you know how much I love this sheet. So let's get started. Oh, before we get to continue, just look at my locks. They have grown on that 1.5 years. 1 year, 5 months, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so let's now get started. So on today's vlog, we're doing moving tips, tricks, and advice. Yeah, so guys, I moved out, but you'll have to miss this packing vlogs. Hey, Monday. I don't know what happened. Alright, so moving is like getting a tooth pulled. It's unpleasant and never fun. Yeah, but at the end, you have a positive outcome. Yeah, so moving is just a trial that everyone has to face, has to come over. So first we're gonna do the tricks, then later I'm gonna share with you the packing tips. Trick number one is getting rid of everything. You need to pack less, move less, and pack less when you reach the other side. Yeah, so if you're not gonna use these stepper items now, then you may separate. You can donate, sell them, or retain them if you're at your place. I mean home and you're yet now to move, you see, or even if you on your other apartment, you can return them to your ushago, or before now you go to the other side. Trick number two, you need a moving folder. So the folder you'll have documented few details of maybe your new address, where you're headed to, maybe your landlord's number, blah blah, is of statements and your meskizana payments. Cause now it will be of help the moment that your electronic gadget, whichever, has gone off. Let's say it's, for instance, the cell phone or the computer, and now you need to prove a point, and you need to prove it kwa mtu wako hapo, and you see kama huku umeandika je, utaprove aje? It's getting dark, but we have to continue, so don't worry, you see me para. Wow, later. Trick number three, so you have to pack as far in advance. Okay, you're not sure of your final destination maybe, but you already know you're gonna move, like ukaiuku lazima tu you move in weeks or months, so you have to have sampled the sites you're going. If it's the central part, you know you'll need lots of winter outfits, so or this coastal region you need light outfits, so you need to pack way far in advance so that you can have sampled wherever you're going and checked on the weathers and other factors. This clip will be lacking quality, but we're on trick number four. So you have to book early so that you can know if the movers you're using, the hiring services, professionals, cleaners, you can alert them on time. The fourth trick is still essential if you're not going to use movers, for instance myself, because now you need to budget for the transportation cost of from this point to this point to this point, you see. Yeah, for instance, that's what I was doing, because I didn't move, I didn't have lots of things to use movers, so I was from stage to stage to, and budgeted for all that. The fifth trick is that you need to schedule for utilities of the new place, maybe the Wi-Fi or water or maybe another thing. You need to do so that your budget can fit. Wow. Trick number six is that you need to keep your essentials close, for instance your academic certificates, so that you don't get to lose them, because in a way as you move, as you travel, you may end up losing your luggages, so to avoid all that you need to have them close. And maybe some of the toiletries which are necessary on your other place on the first day of now arriving at your moving place. The last trick now I have to share with you guys, it's trick number seven, that you have to invest in your equipment, maybe the suitcases or the moving boxes or maybe the Nigerian bag. As for me, I use the Nigerian bag, so you have to invest on that so that you can know the cost you're gonna go, and yeah, the typer, yani hizo vitu zote hizi zitaingia hapa, so you just need to have all those things with you as you now plan to move. Yeah, so we need slight lighting to finish this. So let's now get to the packing tips. Yeah, you need the right boxes. If you have way bigger items, you'll need the bigger boxes, and if you're packing now the small items, you also need to get the small boxes so that you just have everything fitting in. Yes, now when fitting the heavy items, you need to have them on the bottom part of the boxes and the light items on the topper part. So that is tip number 2 for the packing. Packing tip number 3, don't leave empty spaces in the boxes. Packing tip number 4, don't do it. Guess. Alright, don't mix your items from different rooms. So if for instance you have kitchenware, don't mix kitchen items, don't mix them with the wardrobe items, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I know you understand. Sorry, it's about to rain and there's no electricity. Yep. So packing tip number 5 is that you have to label your boxes well. Then packing tip number 6 is that now you have to tape your boxes properly. Then the final tip number 7 is that you have to, if for instance if you're using the movers, you have to tell them that you have special items, breakable items which need special handling. Here you have to alert them so you don't get your items cracking, blah blah blah. Bye bye. And now we've come to the end of the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, see you on the next vlog. I'll be bright on the next one.